When it comes to construction and plumbing, two terms that often come up are conduit and pipe. While they may seem similar at first glance, there are distinct differences between them in terms of material, purpose, and usage. The primary difference between conduit and pipe lies in their intended purpose. Conduit is specifically designed to protect under-road electrical wiring, cables, and conductors. On the other hand, pipes are primarily used for the conveyance of fluids or gases. Another significant difference is the materials used in the construction. Conduits are commonly made from steel, aluminum, or PVC for their durability and mechanical strength. In contrast, pipes are typically made of various materials depending on their intended use, include copper, steel, PVC, or even clay for specific applications. Conduit pipe also differ in terms of their usage and installation methods. Conduit installation involves fittings and connectors, while pipe installation often requires welding, threading, or gluing. Follow us to know more about electrical conduits information.